Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to use Canva coding to build smart design faster. All right. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. Now, first up, just go ahead and open up your favorite browser. Okay. Now go ahead and type in canva.com. Once done, just hit on enter and wait for the website to load. Now, once it loads, as you can see here, I'm just going to zoom in like so. Now here at the top, we have Canva AI. Just click on it. Now go ahead and click on Code for Me. Okay, click on it. Now, as you can see here, it is now highlighted. Now go ahead and describe your idea, and Canva's AI will code it for you. So for example, I wanted to create a simple sticky notes. All right. Can you create a simple sticky note for my website design? Now go ahead and hit on the submit button and wait for it to load. As you can see here, it is now thinking. It says here, I'll create a simple sticky note for your website design. This will be a visually appealing element you can use anywhere on your site. As you can see here, it is now coding. Just wait for it to finish, as it won't take long. And once done, wait for it. As you can see here we have our sticky note. All right, as you can see here, it's pretty beautiful. Now, once that's done, just go ahead and click on using the design here at the top right. Just click on it. As you can see here, we'll be able to use it for our invoice, presentation, website, or basically creating a new project, right? For example, website right here, wait for it. And here we have the sticky note. All right, when we click on preview right here at the top, I'm going to show you that it's working. I can move it freely, like so. And then I'm just going to click on the box right here and start typing. Just like that. All right. And for mobile, right here, here's what it looks like. Okay. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.